Um, Hello YouTube, how are you? It's my first video in English, yes, and it's a big test for me because if you listen 2 minutes, you know my English is so bad. But I want to train, and it's a good training, good test for me to do this video, and this video. It's for international and English people, and I want to speak with you of Quantowers, and on the derivative levels, derivative dealers levels. It's very good level on my teacher, trading teacher. And we have a French service and English service. And it's for this I do this video in English, okay? And after I can I can post on YouTube and I can see the subtitles. And if YouTube have a good subtitle and a good French translation, I'm happy. Okay, but the level it's one thing, but for whole for Nasdaq, for YM, for Dow Jones, for Russell, for etc. It's so long to write all level, whole morning, whole day. Okay, and I'm a noob in dev the code and in CDS. I don't know how I can, but I use GitHub Copilot and I do a prompt for my indicator for copy paste whole level in the indicator and indicator um, how I can for automatic passed on the chart whole level. Okay, this indicator is so easy, very basic. Basically, you go on the settings here, no level, no. Okay, you can write your level if you want. Example 22 600, 22 760. Oh, it's so difficult to speak English. And 22 240. Okay, you can enter and you have whole level. And the order, the color of the order, number 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, the color of the order of the list. Okay. Okay. And on the morning, I have this text. It's a derivative level on my services on Discord with Jay, the big boss, big goat on trading, professional trading, institutional. Okay. If you don't understand, I do a video in French with English subtitle. It's okay, and I copy the level for NQU25 contracts. Yes, you have a monitor SDX and VXN for volatility, and we have a positive gamma. Okay, this is in the formation, is the course in the coursing with derivative trading, but we have the level. Okay, I want to write whole level here on the morning in my not all, just I want example just first level OTG. Okay, I can just copy this one, hop, and paste here. Okay, enter, and I have my max and day event, buyer and sellers control, 0 DTE level and min 1 day and min 1 day event. Okay, it's automatic. It's just for this I do the video and train my English. Thank you very much to watch this, and sorry for my English. And I post this video in English and in French, and if my English is so bad, you can read the French video with the subtitles in English. Thank you very much. See you later. Good trading, good day, good week. Bye bye.